making some oatmeal.
Bye, Remi.
Bye.
I'm gonna get my hair cut.
Yay, good.
Yeah.
You look like a little monster. A little monster.
Not me.
Working and then. Hi. You're so cute. You're so cute. You know that? What'd you get, Randall?
Just 3-piece chicken.
Looks good. Mom got a tostada, and then I got a double chicken avocado salad. Hello. IKEA with my bright mom. I love all the inspo. So cute. Future home inspo. Some nice little fake plant.
I can't believe how cheap it is.
I know, it's $2.99. Discovered the real plants. It's cute. This is me right now. I'm so hungry. So definitely the Swedish meatballs. Little moose pastas. Swedish meatballs. In line to get my car washed, cause we dirty out here.
Yo, Fitty!
Woo! Oh yeah. Going to Costco. Wow, so many books. So far we got French roast coffee because it was on sale, tampons. And then I got razors because this was such a good price. Yeah. And then we got fish oil and then these new keto bars, which I'm really excited to try. I'm in the wine section because the wine here is pretty good. Gonna get this. Dinner for Thursday night. I got Caesar salad, chicken, and some wine. Yay. All right. Cheers.
I don't know exactly what niche you're in, Jenna, but I hope that helps. I would focus on one.
All right, time for dinner. I'll leave that because I'm waiting for that to finish uploading all my footage. Burger night. Why does Randall do this? It's so creepy.
Your mustard.
Your mustard placement. Why is it like this?
It's like a disease.
Hey guys, so today, oh, this is crooked. Today is Saturday and I am meeting Kimi for our monthly mastermind. I'm super excited because we haven't had a mastermind in couple of months now. The last one that we had, I think, was in December, right before Vlogmas started. And for those of you who don't know what a mastermind is, or I guess this is more like our interpretation of a mastermind. So like Kimi and I are both solopreneurs in some way. Like she has her own calligraphy business and then I am over here trying to do my thing with content creation, but both of us don't really have coworkers. It can be like a really lonely road, if you know what I mean. Like you have all these big ideas, but no one to really, like you can share it with people, but then if they're not in the weeds with you, it's kind of like out of the blue and it would take more than just one small little get together with friends to explain what you're really trying to do. So Kimi and I decided to have these monthly meetings where we could be really intentional about our time together, where we are specifically focusing on the business ideas that we have or questions that we want to bounce off of each other. So I'm really excited to get together with her and finally have this for the new year. Today we are having kind of a bigger meeting where we are reviewing how 2021 went, you know, what were some of our wins and then what were the learning opportunities that we had from the past year. And then we're going to talk about 2022 goals and then lastly, you know, what we have planned for February. All right, I should probably head over there. Got a little flat white action for our mastermind.
Cold water be on.
Iced coffee always. Okay, just had a successful mastermind with Kimi and now we're gonna go get some lunch. We're gonna get some Japanese food. I'm really excited. I love this place whenever I come to Torrance. So yep, all right, let's go. And the Matsui's. What do I get?
I know.
So sansai don, so the wild vegetables, and then the soba, cold soba. And then you got?
I got the nabeyaki udon.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
So excited!
Yay.
Tradition to eat a lot of food after
Mastermind.
after our masterminds. All right, let's dump all this in. Put it all in. And then we'll mix this all up.
Oh yeah, it hits the spot.
Now we're getting some boba.